Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's an important day. We're going to go ahead and start washing the Camaro and get all the dirt off of it and get started on the project. If we have time and the weather holds out, I may go ahead and do the first mod on the car as well. So stay tuned and we'll go ahead and get it cleaned up. Okay, I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys the inside of the vehicle now that I have extra parts that I got with the car cleaned out. So there's an A-pillar gauge pod already installed here. See it there. And then it has the original speedometer. However, the rest of the gauges have been removed. And it does have a tach installed as well. And next to it there's a shift light. And you can see the dash is in pretty good shape. The Z28 Iroc badge is still in place on it. The seats are in decent shape. They're kind of dirty, they need cleaned, but probably wouldn't hurt to recover them, but I think they're okay for now. The carpet is decent, but I'm going to go ahead and probably replace that. And here's the back seat. You still see some of the original red paint there. And then the door jambs, they're in pretty good shape. No rust that I see really or anything. Some of the door seals could use replacing. This one's actually not too bad on this door here. And the seals on the T-tops are pretty good as well. So anyway, I just thought I would get a video real quick here of what the inside looked like. I hadn't shown that before, so. Now this car also has a clock inside the center console, which I believe is a fairly rare option from what I've heard, but it does have that as well. And it does not currently have radio. It is an AC car, so you can see that right there on the controls. Okay, so the problem I'm going to show you today is that the hood will not stay open on its own. You have to be very careful opening the hood so you don't bend the hood. The hinge catches. The shocks on the hood hinge have wore out and they're not holding the hood up, so I think that's the main problem. So I've ordered some new ones. We'll go ahead and swap those out today. I'll go ahead and put the part numbers for the shocks in the description below as well if you have the same issue. So we'll go ahead and open the hood and get started. And as you probably saw, you'll need to have something to prop up the hood while you do this work. Make sure it's very solid. You don't want it to fall on you while you're doing the work. It could be dangerous. So make sure it's secured, with a stick of wood or a broom handle, something like that. So go ahead and get started now. So in order to remove the strut, you'll need to remove the clip holding it on each side. You just need to use some kind of small pick tool or a small screwdriver to pop that clip off. And once you do that, it'll slide right off the retaining pin. Okay, so we were able to get the strut off finally. This new one has, you can see these clips that you push, so it'll be a lot easier to install and uninstall in the future than the factory style that was on there previously. So here's the new strut we just installed in place. And so you can see there's no engine in the car currently or transmission, so there'll be some upcoming videos on the project with this car. I think I have most of the plan kind of figured out at this point of what I want to do, but it's just a matter of getting the parts ordered. So I'll let you guys know as soon as I get some of that stuff in place and it arrives at the house. I'll start installing some things. So just go ahead and keep subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and just keep watching for new videos, and there'll be some interesting new things on the way. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.